Hi everyone, this is Learn With Me by Jay, and today we're going to be making this immunity booster herbal honey. I'm going to be putting everything in this glass jar and using this organic raw honey. For this easy recipe, we will be using 1 tablespoon of each of our dried ingredients. First off, 1 tablespoon of bee pollen. Bee pollen is anti-inflammatory, full of antioxidants, and boosts your liver health. 1 tablespoon of dried sage. Sage is nutrient dense and has an amazing anti-inflammatory effect on the upper respiratory tract. 1 tablespoon of bay leaves, or maybe just do 5 to 6 leaves. Bay leaves improve digestion and work on enhancing kidney health and heart health. One tablespoon of hibiscus. Hibiscus is antibacterial, lowers cholesterol in your blood, and detoxifies the liver. One tablespoon of chamomile. Chamomile reduces stress and anxiety in the body, fights joint pains, and is a digestive relaxant. 1 tablespoon of hawthorne. Hawthorne is a powerful antioxidant. It enhances heart health and helps control high blood pressure and high cholesterol. Last but not least, 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Now, turmeric is my golden superfood, and I grow it myself. Along with its multiple benefits, it will protect the body by neutralizing free radicals and shielding the cells from damages. This is the final mixture. Finally, we will be adding our organic honey, not forgetting the variety of vitamins, minerals, and nutrients contained in this honey. I like to sunbathe the herbal honey for about 1 to 2 hours to help infuse the herbs. You can just put it on a double boiler for 10 minutes if you prefer. And this is the honey after 2 hours of sunbathing. You can see everything is well mixed together. Here I'm putting the label on with the ingredients and the date. And then we're gonna wrap it up with a towel and store it away from direct sunlight in a cool and dry place. We will leave it here for about 4 to 6 weeks, and then we can strain the herbs out and start using the herbal honey. Whenever you feel like you need an immunity booster, add 1 tablespoon to your morning tea and enjoy. Thank you guys for watching and have a good day. Bye!